as we were gonna go home, I took a look, and they have this humongous enclosed fence, and we see these little animals on the background. And I wanted to take a little video of this beautiful little guys. They even have like a little pond and stuff. So, isn't that so gorgeous? They're lifting up their heads. It's nice. I love to see little animals. This is God's creation. God's creation is so perfect. It's so beautiful.
Right.
So anyway, God bless you all. Have a great night, because it's already turning night over here. So God bless everyone.